Hello, class 3. How are you all? I hope you all have enjoyed your summer vacation. But now your holidays are over. It is time to study now. So let us start with your new lesson, lesson number 2, our community. Now, society. Now, what is society? When the people live together in a community, or you can say in groups, it is called society. So, in a society, people of different religions and cultures, they all live together. Now, in a society, people of different cultures and different religions, they all come and they make a society. So Indian culture is rich due to diversity in its society. Why the Indian culture is rich? Because of its diversity. Diversity means because there are very many variations in its society. Now, changes in lifestyle. What are the changes in lifestyle? A society does not remain same. Okay, it changes over a period of time. Like the family system has changed over a period of time. Education system is also changing. Means of transport has changed, and we can say about communication. Earlier, how was the communication, and now today, how is the communication? Clothes. What kind of clothes the early people used to wear and what kind of clothes we wear, food habits, what do they eat and what do we eat, beliefs, what kind of beliefs they had and what kind of beliefs we have, ideas, their ideas and our idea, etc. So many things have changed over a period of time, and it will also change over a period of time. Like nowadays, technology has taken over our lives completely. Means these days come technology is going so fast that like we depend on smartphones and laptops for communication. Nowadays we only depend on laptops or smartphones for communication. Like through smartphones or laptops we can video call, we can see the person who is very far from us, and we can talk to them, and we can also see them, which help us keep in touch with our loved ones, the people who are very close to us, and but they are very far from us. We can call them, we can keep in touch with them. Now, in earlier times, the system of joint families, the system of joint families was more common in the earlier times, but was more common than nuclear and single parent family. Now, these days, nuclear and single parent families are more common rather than joint families. Children, in the earlier times, what happened? The children, they used to study in gurukuls rather than going to schools. They used to live with their gurus in the gurukuls only, and there were no smartphones, no laptops in that time. And today the top children and people, they are totally dependent on the smartphones, the laptops and the new technologies that have been uh, come these days. Now next is types of clothes. Now types of clothes, in types of clothes, different people wear different clothes based on their culture, what kind of culture they have and what is the climatic condition there. According to that, they keeps on changing their clothes. Like for example, in people in Kerala, they wear traditionally they wear lungi, whereas people in Kashmir, they wear farran. Then second is food habits. The food habits of people are different across the country. Now, across all over this country, the food habits of people are also different. For example, like people in West Bengal, they eat more fish and rice, but in Gujarat, people love to eat dhoklas and theplas. They are more famous there. Now, then comes types of houses. Now, different types of houses are found in different places. We can see different types of houses in different places. Like if we in rainy regions or snowy region where most of the rainfall occurs, or snow falls in that regions, people build sloping roofs. Sloping, why do they build sloping roofs? So that the whatever so that the rain when the rain falls, they shed off from their sloping roofs, and the snow they also shed off from their sloping roofs. Then the second is the stilt houses. People in dense forest, the people who lives in dense forest, they build stilt houses so that to protect themselves from wild animals. Now look at the picture of a house with a sloping roof. This is the sloping roof. This roof they have just to shed off the rain or snow. Whatever falls on the sloping roof, they shed off them from here. And the second picture is of stilt house. Stilt house here, it is built. Here the houses are raised on support. They are raised on support over the earth surface, so that the wild animals, they don't attack them. For their safety, to protect themselves from wild animals, they used to live in stilt houses. In this video, I am not going to give you any homework. Now your homework is to revise the topics which I have explained you today, and just read it again from the book and try to recall it. So this much for today. Thank you so much.